Ah, right there. Yeah. So everybody's hungry. We better make some food. We got a lot of smoke hanging out. Yeah, welcome to the California wildfire season. And we still got to make food. So, what do we got? Simple stuff. This is the advantage of a well-stocked pantry. If you have this, you can produce food in a matter of moments. What am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about that kind of garlic stuff I tell you never to use, the pre-chopped garlic. Some people like the flavor, and there are uses for it. But I really wish they'd quit calling it garlic, because it's all the worst of garlic. Tube of ginger. We have some sesame seeds. A little bit of rice vinegar. Oh, I love that, by the way. Good stuff. Oh, something good happened on my tablet. A little bit of soy sauce and sesame oil. In this case, the market's running low, so I bought a small bottle. All right, what do you do with that? Well, you take these four, pardon me, if you got them, and some cabbage, and you make some coleslaw. Sesame coleslaw. If you've never had it, you should try it. It's good stuff. Okay, what do you do if the market is having a half-price sale on pork short ribs, boneless country style? Well, you mix some gochujang and pretty much everything but the sesame seeds, and put it in a bag. Yeah, this is dinner tonight. Pork, coleslaw, rice, basic dinner. Fry it up in a pan. You don't want the pan to be very hot, sort of wokish. Or, if you happen to have a butane griddle, you can use that. Me, I'm just going to fry it. I'm too tired to mess with things tonight. But that's it. This needs at least 2 hours to soak. Yeah, it was annoying. I went to the grocery store tonight and buy food, and they had those darn pork spare ribs on such a sale I couldn't walk away. My menu had risotto, but I think we'll be doing this instead. So, what are we doing? Korean style barbecued pork short ribs. Buy them, cut them into bits, marinate them for at least 2 hours. They'll be fine. Marinade, gochujang, garlic, ginger, rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil. Yeah, you have this stuff in your pantry. You can change your mind and make anything you want. At the end of the day, pigs are universal, cows are universal, cabbage is universal. Rice, that's kind of universal too. You have those basic ingredients and you have a well-stocked spice cabinet, make anything. You want some Hungarian goulash? You want, I don't know, beef stew? Well, pork stew in this case. You know, take pork, a little bit of red wine, carrots, onions, celery, salt, pepper, maybe a little chicken stock. Oh, I said the magic word. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, hang on. Oh, even my dog's getting in the act. Chicken stock. Little herbs de Provence, and you'll have a French-style pork stew. Maybe if you're feeling athletic, throw in some potatoes. So yeah, you have a well-stocked spice cabinet and a few basic ingredients. You can change your mind and make anything you want. So that's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe. Oh, you naughty boy or girl. That's it. Thank you, and try some of this stuff. You'll be impressed. Just a little Korean spice, some stuff from the Asian aisle at the supermarket. You have a really good spicy dinner for a hot night. So thank you. Goodbye.